We at Renew. Our bird mesh range is designed to suit every type of installer and every kind of roof. Because there's no industry standard for installing bird mesh, we've developed a range of fixing solutions to make installation simple, secure, and adaptable. Introducing the new G-clip, the first clip to mechanically fix bird mesh using a tensioning screw. Made from anodized black aluminium with a stainless steel locking screw, the G-clip makes installation fast, clean, and longer lasting. The result? A professional finish that ensures your solar array prevents any birds or rodents from getting underneath the panels. We offer 30-meter long rolls of bird mesh in 100mm, 150mm, and 200mm sizes, available in both flexi and standard options.